Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Honey Bunny 7 coming back to you with another video. Tonight I am making soup for my family. We really enjoy eating pho. It's a soup that you get mostly at a Vietnamese restaurant. So I'm just going to show you really quick some of the items that I am using. I am using the instant rice vermicelli noodles. You can use whatever steak of your choice. I've already chopped some. You can use ribeye, shaved, sirloin, whichever of your choice. I'm going to have a teaspoon of olive oil. The broth I'll be using is the Simply Asia Vietnamese inspired pho beef broth, which can be picked up at your local store. If not, I'll have some of the items listed up under my description. And the other soup I'll be making is the Japanese inspired ramen soy ginger chicken broth. Right now we're going to focus just on the beef broth today. So some of those items are, of course, you need cilantro. We have green onions. We have our basil. And at the end, it should look like this. I also added onions, the chopped steak, the basil. We have the green onions. And we have the cilantro. Here you have the oyster sauce. Some people use hoisin sauce. It's up to your choice. Here is the oyster sauce that I use. I do have my son, who is the cameraman. He likes to use the hoisin sauce. So it's really up to you. Now, I am team no dishes today. So I am going to be steaming and boiling my broth all in my Aroma rice cooker. Here we have the steamer that comes, the steamer pan that comes with it, and inside I'll go ahead and boil the broth. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. So for the finishing product, the rice noodles are complete. That is the finishing touch of the boiling noodles. And I just want to correct myself. I said Arrow. It's Aroma professional rice cooker. Many of these items, like I stated, the Japanese inspired ramen, soy ginger chicken broth, the beef broth, a lot of these items I will leave in the description bar. So let's go ahead and get started to start plating some of these items. So what I am going to do is, you can use a white bowl, small bowl, whatever you like to do. I am using, you would say this is an ugly bowl, it got flowers on it, but I don't care. So I'm going to add my rice noodles just like that. Okay, and as I stated earlier, I cooked the beef pho broth in my Aroma rice cooker. So it is really hot. It's ready. It's just really ready to come out. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer some of that broth into this bowl right here. Give me one moment. And as you can see, it's really, really hot. And it smells delicious. Oh my God. I just transferred it into that bowl because, like I said, it's really, really hot. So now I am going to pour this goodness into the bowl. I'm going to set that aside. So far, this is how it looks. It looks good. So now we're going to start plating some of these items. So we have the white onions. Come a little closer, honey. We got the white onions. I'm going to add the white onions. We have the green onions. I'm going to add our cilantro. And I like putting the veggies and stuff like this on a dish, so that way your family can kind of just create their own. And you want to keep the beef broth hot because it will cook, the beef will cook in the pho. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add how much steak I want. And now I'm going to add my basil. You can add whatever, how much you want. That's a pretty big one. And I just like having just that little hint of oil in it. Okay. And then last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and transfer this bowl over closer so you guys can see. Jake, go ahead and zoom in so they can see that. And I am going to add the Hoisin sauce. Well, this is mine. So this is the oyster sauce. You're just going to put it in there. Oh my goodness. So as you can see, it looks delicious. As you can see, the beef is already cooking. It is cooking. And my son used chopsticks, so of course you can add the chopsticks. And there you have it. You have the good thing about pho. You can kind of really freestyle it the way you want. Many of these items that I stated I'm using today for this video, I'll make sure I leave them in the description bar below. Again, thank you so much for watching my channel. Until next time, you guys have a blessed day.